What's good, everyone? Tonight I am going to cook these Wimmer's Little Smokies smoked sausages. About 35 sausages in this package. This was donated to us, and we're going to do a review on it and see how good these are. I'm also going to be cooking some pork and beans here. There's two different labels, same product. We're going to cook this in the crock pot, and we're going to be adding some Cookies original sweet and smoky barbecue sauce and some tomato ketchup. And all this is going to go inside that pot right over there, and we're going to cook it all together. I have a special recipe for making my beans. I add ketchup and barbecue sauce to my beans while they're cooking, so I figured, well, most commonly these are cooked in barbecue sauce, from what I've seen here, there, and everywhere else. So we're going to do that here. We're going to cook the Little Smokies in the beans in my special mix-up of the sauces here, and a little bit of seasoning also from the back wall there. And it'll probably take about an hour's time to make these, at which time we'll conclude up this video here and rate these fine little Smokies. They are no MSG. They are gluten-free. And it is a 14-ounce package. It's premium quality since 1934, y'all. So we'll get into this here and see how it turns out, okay? Alright, y'all. So here all it is. I added onion salt, Lowry seasoning, my bad. The Cookies barbecue and ketchup, and 2 cans of pork and beans, and 1 pack of Little Smoky sausages. So we're going to let this cook here for about probably an hour. Whoops, I don't want to break my lid. Yeah, it's glass. Most common days, these are plastic nowadays. But either way, so we got our crock pot on low. And we're going to let this simmer away here for about an hour or two, and then we'll come back to it. And hopefully by that time it'll be done. We can try our Little Smokies, and we'll give it a rating along with my my special recipe pork and beans there. It's really easy to make, so give it a try, y'all. See how you like it. Alright, everybody. Here it is, all done now. Yeah. Here it is on a plate. We got some beans and little wieners here. These are a little bit bigger than the Little Smokies typically. I want to try them and see how good they are. Kind of. Have some beans with it. That's good stuff. Them are good, even though they're not the Little Smoky brand of Little Smokies. They are pretty good. They got a good flavor, good texture. I think on a 1 to 5 scale, I'd have to hit them off about a 4. Yeah, right on point. Good stuff. You see that, happen to see this brand out there, go out and pick it up, give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. There you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please drop a like or comment down below if you like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.